Mga kanos! Welcome sa akong YouTube channel, Ringing Nose. I'm your barista, Michael. And yes to, for today's episode 17, mga must-try drinks by Varsity Bubble Tea Shop. Varsity Bubble Tea Shop is located at second level food court area at the Atrium Mall, Luna Street, Iloilo City. For full list of menus, I'll be providing description down below. For the seating capacity, you can dine or sit inside the food court area. But their peak hours is during lunchtime and in the afternoon. Cup sizes, they have regular size for 16 ounce and for Grande Size, 22 ounce. And disclaimer lang po, is my own opinion and my own standards when it comes to taste test reviews. And this episode is sponsored by Varsity Bubble Tea Shop. Hi there mga kanos! So I have here Bestsellers. These are all regular size for 16 ounce. So let's start. For our first drink is strawberry milk tea for regular size 60 pesos. Yung maganda dito sa strawberry milk tea nila, very refreshing siya. At the same time, well-balanced yung strawberry essence, milk, and also yung pearls niya, very soft. Bestseller siya kasi napakasarap niya, very refreshing. Our second drink, Japanese Matcha Cheesecake Milk Tea for 90 pesos. Difference dito sa Varsity Bubble Tea, yung cheesecake niya, hindi siya yung typical na sobrang tamis. Ito, sakto lang yung blend niya. Siguro when it comes sa matcha, nandun naman siya, pero faint taste siya. Hanap po yung lapuit feel or yung thickness or yung strong matcha essence for this product. But overall, for this drink, masarap naman siya. Yung nag-stand out talaga dito sa akin, hindi nag-overpower yung sweetness, which is good. For our third drink, brown sugar with cream mousse, regular size for 90 pesos. Yung maganda dito, for their brown sugar with cream mousse, ang sarap niya. Actually, in-expect ko sa brown sugar, sobrang tamis niya or sobrang strong yung brown sugar essence. Ito, well-proportioned siya at well-balanced siya. Hindi siya yung typical na tamis na overpower or sakit sa lalamunan. Ito, tolerable naman siya when it comes to sweetness. And for the cream mousse, saktong-saktong siyang blend dito for the brown sugar sweetness. For our fourth drink, this is their new product, their Belgian Chocolate Overload Milk Tea for regular size for 75 pesos. Overload talaga siya when it comes sa chocolate flavors. Nandun yung Belgian feel or na hinanap ko. And for our last drink, this is their Peach Kiwi Fruit Tea with chia seeds for regular size for 65 pesos. Way mga nos, for blue fruit tea with chia seeds, you can choose any of your sinkers na preferred nyo. Choose for pearl, jackfruit jelly, nata de coco, popping boba. So makikita nyo mga nos, dito yung konjac fruit jelly and also yung chia seeds niya. Unang nasahan ko yung sweetness ng peach. Nasahan ko dito yung jelly niya, which is konjac. Ang sarap niya. Yung kiwi essence niya, nandun siya. Very refreshing drink, especially for summer. Okay, for rating mga nos, for strawberry milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Japanese matcha cheesecake, I'll give this a 9. On sugar with cream mousse, I'll give this a perfect 10. For Belgian chocolate overload milk tea, I'll give this a perfect 10. Peach kiwi, I'll give this a perfect 10. And when it comes sa drinks nila Makanos, nagustuhan ko sa kanila is well proportioned at standard procedure yung ingredients when it comes sa pearls, when it comes sa sugar level, on point sila. So, first time mo talaga matry yung strawberry milk tea. Na-recommend sa akin na itry ko to. First time mo matry yung kanilang konjac fruit jelly. Napaka-colorful niya. Tapos, this is a healthy drink kasi it has a fruit juice essence. At the same time, meron siyang chia seeds, which is good. Nagustuhan ko din sa Varsity Bubble Tea Shop na very accommodating yung kanilang barista. Kahit meron siyang pending orders, natapos niya lahat ng drinks ko na napakabilis. napaka-precise when it comes to their overall quality and their service. Varsity Bubble Tea Shop maintains their good service, good quality of product, budget-friendly, and a drinking nose standards approved. And also, I would like to thank the owner of Varsity Bubble Tea Shop for allowing me to cover their products and their bestsellers. Thank you so much, Varsity Bubble Tea Shop, and congratulations! Thank you for watching, mga nos. If you like this video, please do like and share it to one of your friends. And if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon for more updates and latest happenings for my Drinking Nose channel. This has been your barista, Michael Branches, saying bye!